This works like magic. Just type in a name and we're replacing the A with a symbol. This is great for passwords or just creating some fun new names. I'm going to show you how to do this with just formulas. The very first thing we want to do is substitute. Do equal substitute. The text to search is going to be this A. What we're going to search for is the A in quotes, and we're going to replace it in quotes with an @ symbol. We can type in a number of occurrences if we want to only limit it to one occurrence. We're going to autofill that all the way down, but let's say we want to go one extra step and substitute also the O's for zeros. All we have to do is wrap substitute with substitute, and the output of the first substitute we want to search for O in quotes and replace with a 0. Let's copy and paste that, and we have that. We also maybe want to get rid of spaces. So again, we wrap substitute with substitute. And what we'll search for is a space, and we'll replace with nothing, just 2 quotes. Let's copy paste that, and now we have no spaces in a name. If you're looking to get more out of your Google Sheets, create cool formula combinations like that, subscribe here to Better Sheets on YouTube.